bat Maulangwe. Rakhi ke Jelaya ke International Human Rights Day ringkat ke jinglek kenan bekerbang. Penlong jingelang ke RDA halor ke election MDC Arhajar Arpusan. Penkrek ke Kinhun Menteri ke Por dan penlong ke election jong ke KHATC bat JHATC. Bat menjur ke Kinhun Menteri ke plan ke Bashis Pak Kelur Tingkana ke Bentaban Kangno ya ke MCCL. Ki kubor ki babnya. Menteri Rangpak ke Jela ukon rit kisang mahne kesengi ulapin benah baka sorkar Jela kan sa penhe ke surok wailoi mau kerwat ha ke jenglut kumba shispa arpo klur tingka hapok projek jong ke World Bank MITP 2 bat kumju ru ke sorkar Jela bani trelang bat kipat ba na ke benta ban kentiu ya ke kam jengok kai perthaya South West KHASI Hills District. Haba ajeng keren ke jengelang penkut ya ke jubili kesiar jong ke Nativity High Secondary School ha mau kerwat usang mau lapen pena ya ki kat tu kat ni ki kam penroi bekongsan ki bertemu ban kentiu ke kam jengok kai perthai bat ke puli putih ha ke ni kathan. Kini ki kentop ya ke pisah ke ba arpusan klor tingka ke project resort ha nong na ke balapen wandur ha ke jengi tereilang bat ki pat ba nong song snong bat ke pisah ke ba san klor na ke benta ke jeng penroi ki jeng tei monolith jong ke snong maulangwer.
The World Bank MITP 2 project of approximately 120 plus crores of funds will be sanctioned. The estimates or the DPRs are being made, but the road for this will be now extended or rather expanded, and I'm happy to, as I said, announce this road. I hope that by early next year, we should be able to tender it out. The funds have already been sanctioned, as you're aware. Only the DPR stage is left, and that's when we'll come to know the exact costing of the road. We are
Ka Meghalaya Human Rights Commission hine kasngi rakhe ka hok long brio man brio ka perthei baro ka we halor ka phang. Our rights are future right now. Hakani kasngi ulat ke Jela usi HVJ Shankar ulalong ukongsan but ka agatha ke sangma ka beri ke chairperson ke Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights kum ka simbut kongsan. Ka sangma ka lapen pau ka jingdon kam jong ka hok long brio man brio kum ka nongrim jong ka burom ka jing ringkat but ka jing light luoi da ka bapin pau ya ka jing ang nuot ban tre lang hakipor banwan. Na ka liang ulat ke Jela ulapen skembiang ya ka jing kular jong u ban kentiu ya ka kolshor ka jing long shipara bat ka hok long brio man brio ha ka Jela da ka bapentik na pa ka jing khang jong ka Raj Bhavan kadang ple na ka benta ka commission.
Rights adopted by the United Nations provides a global framework for protecting fundamental rights and freedoms. These rights include the right to life, liberty and security, freedom from oppression and discrimination, the rights to education, work and a standard of living, and freedom of thought, expression and religion.
Ka Regional Democratic Alliance kelapan long jengelang ka beningkong ka kendai turik metau benai nok pra nak benta bani penteli ya ka United Democratic Party but ka Hill State People's Democratic Party ban thau buit turikam nak benta ka election MDC Arhajar Arpusan nak benta ka KHASI Hills but Giant Hills Autonomous District Council. Lapan long kini ka jengelang hasilong klub ha ka bakalani adu arkenta nak benta bani keren laki ni kiseng san perthei kin pengieng lagi jong ki kertong ni kini so lang hapo kalama jong ka RDA. Ka jingelang ban but dien kan long biang ha khatway turik mentau benai ha ka ba on sa shimya ka rai ka ba khat do halor ka te ka benta.
We just had a discussion how to go about it. What is the opinion of the members of the RDA regarding the election of MDC election? So we had decided that we will meet again on the 11th of this month at 8 p.m. to finalize the strategy, the decision, how to go along regarding this MDC election. whether we will go for pre-poll alliance or we will have adjustment, we'll have understanding regarding the setting up of candidate in respective constituency.
Ka kinhun menteri ka jelak lapan kre ka por ban penlong ke election ka KHASI Hills Autonomous District Council ba ka Giant Hills Autonomous District Council da ka ba up ya ka jing menjur na ulat na ka benta ban yo ya ka jing pen benapat ba Menteri rang ba ka jelau konret ke sang ma ula banjur ya ka jing shim kya jo ka sarkar ban wan ra ka jing khoj bat ban pet bnia bha ha ka rukom je nong mi khmat But she siem bala menjur ke sarkar kan sepelat ya kataring bapura ke bapen I ke sinjam ke bokongsan ha gaman pensuk ya ke sinsyar pai ba apo ke jela.
Decided that on the schedule for the conduct of the elections to the KHASI Hills Autonomous District Council and the Gente Hills Autonomous District Council, and these elections, the entire schedule of the elections has been finalized by or approved by the cabinet. But of course, as you're aware, all of this has to be approved by the governor, and therefore, once it is approved by the governor, only then can we officially announce it. But the cabinet has now approved and proposed it for further approval of the honorable governor of our state. So we await that, and once we get the approval from the honorable governor, we will be officially announcing and informing the exact dates and the schedule of the council elections.
Ka kinhun menteri ke jela po ke jengelam menteri rang ba ke jela konret ke sangma kala menjori ka plan ka basis pak klur na ka betaban khangker dep ya ka karkhana jo ka maumlo charasemen limited ka bakenthop ya ka scheme shong thait mons ngobha na ka benta ki ars pa san ngot kinong trei bat ki lat klenti ban weng ki jengket klie ha ka liang ka pisa Kani kalawan hadir ke jeng emir jengmut lang ginong trei bat ka seng jengki bat kani ka plan ka pen I ke jeng sedang jo ka jengkhang ringkat bat ki kot ki sla bakhat do kat badang up ye ke jeng ekren ki bakham benia
Are in the process of closure of MCCL, and therefore one-time special scheme where we are working with the employees to give them a golden handshake or VRS or whatever the appropriate word you'd like to use. This scheme, after detailed discussion with MCCL employees, has been worked out, and this was brought today to the cabinet. And the cabinet, after detailed discussion, has approved that particular scheme. And now we will finally, the MCCL will propose the scheme and discuss with the employees association and others, and sign on the necessary papers so that it can be frozen. And then once that is done, the closure will be approved, and then the process of closure, which requires a lot of details. As you're aware, it's a public limited company, and therefore the procedures require different processes to be followed. So all those will be followed to ultimately.
Menteri rang ba ke jelau korek ke sang mau la plia ke kamera police science has ngaps im college mau kerwat ya ke blabai tingka da ke pisa ke basau klur tingka hapo ke rusa 2.0 ulapin benaru ba on I arpolak tingka na ke benta ke multi purpose hall bat ke wei ke bos ki samla puli college ning ba ke skim penroy bekerpang jong menteri rang ba ke jela Na lor kata ke sarkar jela kala menjur ban penrung ki jing police science bat kemas hagi santli ki college sarkar bat ula kularu ban ai jeng kershan ya ke snaps EM college usang mau la banjur ya ke jeng don kampan ai ki samla puli ki lat ki lenti ki bapaka hagi liang puli ki baper
one of the most important pillars for us as a government. It is also one of the most challenging sectors and departments. For the past 52 years, the kind of attention that we would have wanted in education could not be given, for whatever reason. I don't want to go into that. But there has been kind of a neglect. And we have realized
that there needs to be more work and effort that needs to go in.
Lapan long ke jing plia pat ba ya ki yeng ke bladap te hapok Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin hasnong mau pansiara ka balong kum ka jing job ka bakong san ha ka jing persang jong ka sarkar ban pinbiang ya ki yeng na ka bentai ki nong snong hanong kendong ha ka ni kesngi lasa kilang da uramentan gabil moment ubalong UMLA ka ramperai jerngam padu chairman ka MMDC Limited kum kong san bat kiwe Hakajeng krem ke jong umumen ulapan scam biang ya kajeng ang no jong ke sarkar bat pen bahaya ki yeng hanong kendong bat ban pen ya ka Awas Devas pledge ka ba pen shlor ki pat ba pan krishan ya ka roi ka par ka bakentup lang ya baro kidan arpo teli ki long yeng ke blayo ya ki sernot pendep hapo ka ni ke scheme
to President Yusuf to government kat ban la yo thì hap tre hap to prasang smart ban idea tadi bala yang hun da ubli gung unugre you should the best worker
Karipoi district kalapli ke program pelatip kum ka 100 days TB awareness campaign na kabentabat pensol thu pat ba Science Hall nongpo ka belapan pau ki dak kishin jong ka jingpang TB ka jing ya da naka pat ka jing sumariaka Uba Amiral Bods Iem ubelong MLA ke nongpo ulapli ya ke ni ke program ha ka balai don lang ki he officer ka tanat ka kot ka kya pa ki nong yalam snong ha ke ni ke jing lang la pelat pat ba ru ya ki artli ki ambulance na ka bentaban ai jing shakrish ki jaka hanong kendong balapen ko burom ki rio shimet bat ki seng kinthop yo MLA upa sostene sotun bat ki we ringkat ki khusnam nikshay mitra na ka bentaban kershan ya ki nong pang TB
Despite of all these challenges, we have seen different policies have been framed in the early 2000s, where the National Rural Health Mission, one of the very important missions that has been launched to address healthcare system within our country. We have seen significant changes in terms of infrastructure, in terms of facilities, in terms of equipment, and how to tackle all these issues within our state.
Ka Office Joint Deputy Commissioner Report District ha ka jing lang bat ka Office District Sports Officer glapen kut no ka program a jing hikai na ka bentaban rungkam sipai ka besibenai ha ka spotrik no pra daga bepelejeng mod aga kot ke kia aga met ka phat baka jeng pen kre kani ka jeng temu kelapen kre ki samla na ka bentaki kam sipai ha kani ka jeng lang pen kut u Deputy Commissioner u Abilash Baranwal u layaro e ka jeng hem jo ki dong ishim bentab u la banjur ya ka benta jong kani ka program ha ban kentiu ki sap ki pong jong ki samla u District Sports Officer Bobby Nongbed u la penslori ki nong sha hikai bekin pendon kam ki sap batmai jong ki ban pen urlong ya ka thong ka jong ki
program for everyone who is going to appear for Army recruitment rally. As per, so there are probably 250 candidates who will be appearing for the physical test of the Army recruitment rally, out of which around 80 persons are from Righo itself. We organize this training program to help them understand first of all what kind of tests will be conducted and help them train as well. With the help of our DSO, our magistrate, as well as the coach over here, we have tried to ensure that everyone gets the exposure as well as the kind of training that is required so that they can clear and youth from Rikhoi can get into government job and especially army in the largest number possible.
Meghalaya State Skill Development Society bela betengka da skill Meghalaya menta kasi kelara ke jing job jong ki san pongut ki bela sha hikai ki bela la ben pendep ke jing ai jing hikai ke rukom we rong ki jan ke rukom than jan ha eri we private limited kudong hulu Ripoy district u MLA ke umroi u ba daman bat lamare u lalong kongsan ba MDC ke umroi u ba rang kensai karbuki u lalong usimbot kongsan ha ke ni kesngi Hadian san pos ngi jong ka jing ai jing hikai ka bapura kumba lai punyongot ki blayo jing hikai ki lala ban yo kam ha eri weave private limited bala sami ki ar punyotli ki kor than jan ha pok selco and mozini socio economic foundation
ban ai jam ban ai bin ja kaporo yakini ki para pagi yakini ki long kme bat yakini ki long kme bat ki long ki samlaro ngana ai muslim so show pi kamrumbai bat pinangla so show ban puki bat pinhe yakini ka center ka jo pi banga krimen scam hulu bakini bomba kilong kme le ki samla kan thai kam tam bakini bakin snai ki jan ki baper ki biang ki bitnat haki por ki si ki pansawan
Haga jing tre lang bat ka IUCL kinong sam LPG katnat social welfare lambat kinong tre gan wadi hashlong lapan long ka jing sapriang jing tip halor ka jing snga jong ka LPG bat ka new government of India scheme ka ba jing pendat katenong shet hadu ar lak teli kilong yeng ha Meghalaya kumbah nyo pusan na ka shispa ki de kilong yeng BPL ki bahaba po ka scheme pradhan mantri ujwala yojana Bat ka jela ka temu ban pen urlong ya ka ni jing temu da shispa na ka shispa hashwa usnem ubanwan. Kani program ka pensyai halor ki kendon jing da bat ka rukom pendon kam ki tendong shet da ka pentikna baya ki nog yo jing mentoy. On a jing tip company hashwa ban yo jing pendat ya ki tendong shet. Unong rwai rock bapau nam Bryan Adams ulawan ban rwai hashlong mentakasngi kabalong kum shibanta jong jingwan jong usha India na kabanta ki concert ki banlong ha Gurugram Mumbai Bengaluru bat Hyderabad Menteri Rangba ukonret ki sang maula pen pau ke jingdon kam jong ka jing pen ya jan jong ka riti ka kolshor ha ka ni kasngi da ka baong baka long ru ka klip mat ka pen kan mau ki pat ba ki bela he bela san ki por ki bela let ha ka bagi US ngap ba ya ki jing rwai Bryan Adams ka jingmen ka pendap ikanong ba ka banlong kum ka
It's a great moment, and I think I'm not the only person who is excited about the concert. I'm sure there are thousands of fans, and almost I think everybody in this room has grown up listening to Bryan Adams. So we are super excited and really looking forward, and I'm sure that it's going to be a night to remember and a very, very memorable one. And we're looking forward to a great performance, and as I said, a very, very memorable night.
Mentang nepet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sibneng hatura ka jikriat ka long khat lai degree Celsius ba ka jingshit ka long 8 degree Celsius ka jing sngem ka hau meta ka singi ka long nyau phun riu na ka shispa ka sun beneng kan rakhyang haki babon ki jaka menta pat ine phaj ka jinglong jingman ka sibneng hashlong ka jingkriat ka long riu degree Celsius ba ka jingshit ka long khat san point degree Celsius ka jing sngem ka hau meta ka singi ka long riu pu pra na ka shispa ka sun beneng kan rakhyang haki babon ki jaka Shwan poi subukut jang tup kubor ngini pe biang sesian kimat pekongsan. Penbenau Menteri Rangba ke Jela ban penhe ke surok Wailoi mau kerwat bak projek jengok kai hanong na bat mau langwet. Rakhi ke Jela ke International Human Rights Day ringkat ke jenglek men bekerpang. Penlong jingalang ke RDA halor ke election MDC 8,000%. Pengkrek ke kinhun menteri ke por ban penlong ke election jong ke KHADC bat JHADC. Bat menjur ke kinhun menteri ke plan ke basis pak kelut pengkana ke benta ban khang no ya ke MCCL. Te perlok ke tungla pois bukut jang tup ku bor jing meta ke jan mir. Haduk mendi syambiang ber pila syai ke si kublei pi baro.
By BJP State President Bhavesh Kalita and several other dignitaries.